Well, that bill is already meeting stiff resistance, but there were several interesting comments coming out of the hearing today. For example, the more guns out there, the more likely they could be stolen. And since the Supreme Court ruling, the number of concealed carry permits applications have risen by more than 400%. The impact of the Supreme Court decision striking down a New York law restricting the places where gun owners can take a firearm is having a tremendous impact in Maryland. According to state police, applications for a concealed carry permit have gone up from 14,000 a year to 80,000.
These applications are coming from Baltimore County, Anne Arundel County.
Dr. Daniel Webster, who's with the Johns Hopkins Center for Gun Violence, says research shows the more guns available, the more likely they can be stolen.
It's not necessarily the people with the permits, but they are leaving their firearms sometimes visible, unlocked in their cars.
Senate Bill 1, the Gun Safety Act, prohibits those who have a concealed carry permit from bringing a firearm within 100 feet of any public place. It will be heard in the same committee that got a briefing Tuesday on the Supreme Court ruling.
Schools, hospitals, libraries, synagogues, churches, mosques, and also parks, restaurants, anywhere where the public is gathered.
Gun control advocates Moms Demand Action support tighter restrictions.
I do think that there are places, sensitive places, like what New York has done with their legislation, where people should not be allowed to conceal carry.
Mark Pennant, the president of the pro-Second Amendment group Maryland Shall Issue, is strongly urging lawmakers to withdraw the bill and leave the Supreme Court ruling alone.
What we have in Maryland is a very rigorous permit statute, which has the toughest training requirements in the country. Any legislation that this body enacts will affect not only the general public, but all those other people who already got permits for very good reasons.
As far as firearm training, there's no stress test to measure how gun owners could react to perceived danger. The Hopkins experts suggest developing a shoot, don't shoot program for civilians. Reporting live from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.